Hey guys, it's Yvette and I'm here with Vlogmas. It is day 15. It is Wednesday, December 15th, and I have just finished a live that went for about an hour and 45 minutes. And I have not had dinner yet, and it is about 10:15, something like that. I'm pretty darn hungry, so I'm gonna just pop open the advent calendars and then be done for the night. If you have not come to any of my lives, what we have been, or what I say we, but what I've been working on for the past few weeks, like a long, I think this is our 12th week doing it. I've been working on a Judy Niemeyer quilt, and this is what I did tonight. I have 2 of those that I finished. And these are the ones that I had finished from before that. So it's going to be a wild and crazy quilt. Just thought I would share that with you. If you're interested in watching me sew that, I do it every Wednesday night at 8:30. And that's Eastern time. Another thing that I wanted to tell you guys is I am having like a pretty awesome Christmas sale in my shop, which is called TheYvetteRene Creations. I have a link down below. You get 35% off almost everything in the shop except for things that are a new arrival or my mystery boxes or gift cards. Everything else, even if it's on sale, you can get an additional 35% off right off the top. So I'm going to put that link down below. You would use the code 35OFF in the checkout, and then it'll come straight off your bill. Okay, so let's get going with the cotton cuts first. Here's the cotton cuts. And by the way, are you subscribed? Check down below. Just take a little peek. Just make sure that you are subscribed, because I would really love for you to keep coming back. I really would. And if you ring the bell, you'll know every time I have a new video. So won't you think about that? Okay, let's open up the cotton cuts. I feel like I've got all this stuff that I've got to do. You really got to take advantage whenever it's Vlogmas, because, you got like a captive audience for a whole month. It's crazy not to. I know. I'm told that all the time. And I'm not that great at it. Here is day 15 from Cotton Cuts. Let's pop it open, see what they gave us. Or see what they gave me, because I think mostly we pretty much get different stuff. Sometimes we'll get them like on different days or whatever, but this is very cool. It always seems impossible until it's done. And that's true. That's true about a lot of things. Okay, and then this, oh my goodness. Okay, so I like this. I don't know what this is. It's green. It's got the little trees on it. It's got these triangles. I really like it. Let me see if I got some selvage, because I'd love to share with you what this is. And of course I don't. I have no idea what this is, but I like it a lot. I think that's adorable. Okay. So that is the fat quarter from Cotton Cuts. Let's close this back up until tomorrow. And where's that? There it is. I don't know why I'm crazy like that. I gotta line up the sticker. I'm nuts. Anyway, this is the Allison Glass sticker advent calendar. We're looking for the 15th. And here it is up here. 15. And oh, look how pretty. It's our sticker for today. Right there. Very pretty. Okay, and then last but not least, the Crimson Tape. There it is. Let's see what Heather's giving us today. There's number 15. Oh my goodness. Okay, seriously, like you have no idea. Some of you do. It's another sticker, and this one has Moby Dick on it. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. I love it. Okay, you can give me all the stickers you want. I say that every darn day, and I'm serious. Okay, and this is Violet Craft, right? I keep saying Violet. It is. Okay. This is Violet Craft. These are her modern classics. And I love this pastel blue color. And the solid that we have to go with it is this guy. Awesome. I am super stoked. Okay, so that's the fabric that we have, the fabric and the stickers that we have gotten today for Advent, and I'm dreaming about pot roast right now. Jellybean, you want some pot roast? He won't eat it, don't worry. I would totally give him some. I would share with him. He doesn't do people food. He likes to lick the cheese off of potato chips. It's about as close as we get. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. I know this is a super short video, but I'll see you again tomorrow, and we'll do something super fun. I'll see you later. Mwah.